Hey guys, I am happy to say that I have expanded my citrus collection. I believe I have 7 different varieties now. I, of course, I have the Meyer lemon, the Bear's lime, my blood orange, and I finally have a grapefruit. After we tried a bunch of citrus, I now have a Rio Red. I finally have a kumquat. This is a Nagami kumquat. That's the one that you'll usually see in the stores. And then the Buddha's hand is starting to flower. And the one that I wanted to do a video about is this one. It's a bit of an oddity in terms of citrus genetics. This is the Wekiwa or Wekiwa Tangelo. And when I first saw this tree at the nursery, I had gone there looking for Tangelos and saw this and then did a double take and it said Tangelolo, and I asked the owner about it and I'm like, I'm not familiar with Tangelolo. It turns out that this is a nickname given to this variety by growers. So that's another little interesting piece to the story of this weird variety of citrus. And I'm going to have to pull up some notes for this because it's very strange. So, when researching this, it says that they are Wekiwa Tangelos. They are a cross between an unknown grapefruit variety and a Sampson Tangelo. And a Sampson Tangelo is a hybrid developed from a grapefruit and a tangerine. So, if you're not already at least a little bit familiar with the chaos that can occur in the world of citrus genetics, this is one of those oddities that is out there. Wekiwa Tangelos are not commercially cultivated and are challenging to find in local markets, is what this says, and are mostly just produced as boutique or specialty citrus in limited quantities. So the owner of the nursery that I got this from says this is his favorite citrus because of its sweetness, and he pointed me in the direction of the tree, and I got to try some straight off the tree. They were very sweet, easy to peel with your hands, and they are kind of yellowish like a lemon, but the size of an orange. I've also seen them referred to as mini grapefruits. He also told me that he's had it that one fruit on the tree will be sweet and the fruit next to it on the tree will be more tart to sour. So there's even a range within the flavor on the same tree. So this is one of those rare hybrid oddities that exist in the world of citrus, and definitely the rarest one in my collection, because these other ones, while they might not be super common like the Buddha's hand, they're certainly cultivated more than something like this. So this is super interesting, and it also has some fruit already coming in. So I'll definitely be doing a like a taste testing video to talk about how these range in their flavors. So yeah, this is a weird one, and I'm glad to have stumbled upon it.